Alrighty, in this video, I'm gonna start working on our search functionality, this one. But to do that, we're first gonna need to customize our sidebar a little bit. So here, let's open the terminal. We're gonna create a new Livewire component. Here, type PHP, make Livewire. Here, components. I'm gonna create a new components folder. Dot sidebar. Right, this will create a Livewire component and the blade file. So right here, now let's go to our app layout. In here, we're gonna replace this layout sidebar with the new Livewire component we just created. So here, type here greater than Livewire full colon. Here, type components dot sidebar. Close that. All right, now after adding that, we can now comment this one out because we don't need it anymore. We can just get the contents from this file. So open sidebar, the one in resources, views, layouts. And here, let's just select all, copy this. Here, let's open the sidebar Livewire component now. This one, Livewire components. Here, just remove everything, paste that. Now after pasting, I realized that we don't need to use teleport, okay, just for it's causing a lot of bugs. So for us, we're just going to remove this teleport. Also remove that to do. Alright, so for now I'm going to keep it simple. Let's just go and make sure that this works fine. So if we go back, if we refresh the page, nothing should change, but you can see the drawer here, and we're going to work on that later. For now, let's just, keep it simple. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video.